Parrots have all different colors and sizes. Some parrots can talk and learn the ABCs and words. There are more than 350 different kinds of parrots. Parrots' feet have 2 toes that point forward and 2 that point backwards. Parrots are tropical birds. They live in tropical rainforests. They fly high above the trees in the forest. They like to make a nest in the trees out of dead debris. Parrots enjoy eating a lot of different things in the rainforest. Some things they eat are nuts, fruit, berries, nectar, flowers, and seeds. Parrots have large, strong beaks that crack nuts. Parrots' life cycle is interesting because some can live up to 60 years. Parrots are hatched by eggs and stay with their mother for 6 to 8 weeks.